Hey there, Fiddle Jammers. Jeff Perry from the Fiddle Jam Institute here, and I'm doing some more promotional materials for my second book, the Rock and Blues Fiddle Jam A-Toodz. It's a lick and trick vocabulary building for fiddlers who want to do the rock and blues stylings on your violin or fiddle. I'm running through the different keys a little bit as a promo. Today I'm going to do the key of C. And I am going right to the groove etudes section. So in every key there is 3 levels, it'd be easy, intermediate, and harder, with the fourth section being a mixture of those things cobbled into short little tunes, or call them groove etudes. You play them until they groove. So we also have the drone tracks available on the site, and I'll get one of those going now. Let's see here, if I can, so you can hear it in the background. There it is. Maybe you can hear that. It's my little computer speaker right below. So, groove etude number 1 in the key of C major. No tempo to these. I don't have a tempo we can vary it around. You can play it along if you have the book already. You can be inspired and buy the book if you want. A little faster. One more time. Number 2. Again, this uses all the cool stuff. The in-between notes, the blue notes, the minor note, struggling against the major note, all these different things that you'll learn about in the first 3 levels of each key. Double drone. So let me explain the double drone. It's the 4th finger with 4th finger on D string with open A. I usually slide a little bit. There's only 3 of these on the violin. They're really cool tricks to know. Number 2 again. Again. A cool one. Another double drone, double E's in number 3. Lift. A little faster. One more time. Cool. Number 4. Uses all this stuff and kind of goes right across the range. Notice it's a 3-note pattern and a 4-note 16th note rhythm. So the drone track ended here. Let me get that going again. Just gonna play. Come on, you can play. Let's get it going here. Sorry about that. There it is. All right. Number 4 again. Low 4. Low 4. Put accents on the beat, I'd recommend. Sorry. 5. Small mistake the first time I played it. I put a G instead of an A. See if you can catch it. A. Faster. Neat. Number 6. Number 7. There's actually 8 in this one. I just could squeeze them on the page. There's as many as I could fit. Bluesy. Ready, go. All right, number 8. This one I have one pre-canned lick. I smoosh it into different keys, and this is another example of one I used in E minor as well, and it fits in C major. I stole that from Eddie Jobson. It's a cool riff. Again. Drone track ended. That's okay, we're almost done. Kind of cool. Hope you enjoy these things and hope you learn. If you don't have the book, you can pick these up by ear and just try them on your own. You can get the book, of course. It's only 20 bucks and it's like 93 pages of licks and tricks and stuff to learn like this. I hope you enjoy, and give me some comments. Let me know how it's working for you, and check out the site, Fiddle Institute.